So, we are going to talk about reasons why a person who suffers with a mental illness states that they're tired so much. Living with a mental illness can be extremely exhausting. Someone who is living with a mental illness and states that they are always tired, they're not complaining, they're not being pessimistic, they're not being negative. They are just stating a fact and their reality. Here are a few reasons why a person who is living with a mental illness may state that they feel so tired. A person who lives with a mental illness may have to pretend that they're okay, even when they are not. They are constantly engaging in a battle with their thoughts, hence the anxiety of their mind constantly racing and the inability for it to turn off. They may experience a sensory or emotional overload. Literally, sounds, lights, noises, colors, smells can overload and overwhelm a person. They may have to deal with a relapse, whether they are experiencing a depressive episode, whether they have sought out trying to feel better with substances. They may have to deal with a stigma or other ignorance from other people. Their brain is constantly working. Once again, that goes back to feeling anxiety and feeling overwhelmed. They may struggle with mood swings. So this is not the typical a person is bipolar. This is an extreme of a person may be happy one moment and then extreme sadness the next. Mental illness also takes a toll physically. A person who suffers with mental illness may experience aches and pains. This is also true for a person who has been prescribed certain medications that can increase bone brittleness and things along those lines. A few things that you can do to assist yourself if you notice that you are experiencing extreme tiredness. You can create a routine for yourself. You can celebrate the small things, which are things that may seem small to other people but large to you, such as eating, taking a shower. You can engage in meaningful activity, things that you look forward to participating in. Or you can rest when needed and help to decrease that shame and guilt about not being productive and or busy.